Hi everyone, as you can see, all this rubbish in front of me and I would like to turn them into a nice home decor. But before that, please welcome to Gigi's Creation. So let's start by painting this square. Looks wood, but it's not really a wood, guys. This is kind of rubber. It's the rubber that they use for tires. I don't really know what is this square thing. My friend gave it to me, asked me if I want it, and of course I always like all the things that I can make good use of it. So anyway, I painted it for at least 3 coats, let it dry, and now I've started putting this twine around the edge to have that farmhouse kind of look, because I'm trying to aim for a farmhouse look. Okay, so I just stick this twine around at least 3 or 4 times, maybe. We'll see how it goes. I just try to cover up also the edge because it's not very smooth. There is some little thing that sticks out on the side, so I have to remove it with my cutter. I didn't show you the process, guys, because it's kind of hard and it's very difficult. So I struggle, and now I have this 4 lid of the softener that I had last time with my last project. Okay, I stick it as the legs of this riser. Okay, as you can see, I just glue it on. This is a riser, that's why I have to put legs on it. And there you go. This is the outcome, guys. It's very nice. And now I have these 3 cans of spam, and I think that's a coconut milk can. So what I'm going to do is I have to spray paint them. No, it's not spray paint. Paint them into white color as well, because I like to have this with the farmhouse look. So I will do the same. I paint it at least 3 coats with all these 3 cans, as you can see. Okay, to cover up this picture and make it like plain white. You see, it's nice to keep all those things that unwanted anymore. Just spray paint them, cover with something, and you can make it as home decor. It's quite high-end as well. It just need a bit of work, but it's worth doing it, guys. And now it's the same thing. I have to put this twine around the edge on top and bottom of these 3 cans, as you can see, to have that farmhouse looks. And you can use these guys as organizer for pens and like eyeliner, eyelashes. What is that I'm talking about? All the stuff that we ladies use. And you can use also as a flower vase. I'm going to use this to put all my pens, like ball pens, marker pen, and the other one is for my eyeliners and mascara. And I will put, because since this is 3 cans, I can use them as a flower base. You can make good use of all these things really as an organizer. And it's really nice, and it looks really high-end after I put all this twine. And who could tell that these are just rubbish, and I just turn into treasure. You see, you just need to put a little bit of work. It's not really that much work, and it's not that difficult. Everyone can do this. Just get a paint brush and glue gun, and that's it. You can have lots of things that you could do with all your stuff in the house, all the rubbish. You don't need to buy a decoration if you just have to put some effort to make something. it's almost done, guys. As you know, the reason why I'm doing the whole process, because someone complained that, I shortcut my stuff. So I'm trying to do it and show it all, right? It takes a bit longer, but I try to speed or double the speed for this video, because I don't want to bore you to death, and so am I. Because if I watch my video and it's too slow, I can fall asleep. So anyway, it's almost done, guys. As you can see, this is really nice. I really liked the outcome of all these 3 pieces of tin or can. They look really, really kind of elegant inside the house with this white paints on it. And it really, this twine, this color of twine, and mix it with the white color, it is really give it the looks of the high end. It's a kind of rustic farmhouse look. So anyway, it's almost done, guys, and I will show you how I use these 3 cans, and this is the look, guys. It's really nice. So once again, thank you very much for your time, and I see you again next time. Bye bye.